Okay, so we need to upgrade the RAM. It's Dell Latitude 7480. At the moment, it has 4 GB. Let's just check that out. Want to wait SSD. Okay, so RAM 4. We're gonna make it 8. First, you need to switch off. So, the screws. This one is missing already. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing. 5, 6. So those 6 screws around. Let's do that. With the one missing, that should be all. Easy, gently. And one of this, even better. Okay. Okay, that one is giving us trouble. Okay, it's out. So there is one of 4, but then there is another slot, so you can make 4 more, or you should be easily going to 8 and 8, so you can make it 16. Maybe you can make it even 32, like 16 and 16. They are DDR4. Only thing I don't like about this laptop, they are taking only M.2s. So you cannot put another hard drive or put a normal SSD or whatever. You just need, basically, this is your hard drive, and that's all what you have. Okay, so it's another 4 gigs. So, to put it, you just place it nicely, click, basically put all of this back, screw it back. Once you screwed everything back, that's what you did. Okay. It will take a bit more time because it needs to adjust that you just changed the RAM memory. So you confused it a bit, but this would be only the time when you actually add the RAM memory that it will take a bit longer. Let's check it out. Okay. So now install the RAM. It's 8. So basically, that's all. Switch it off. Ready to go.